a bunch of bitch ass niggas behind us. So we popped your dick down right here.
Round one. Lady, go.
I'm trying to get the house here.
I'm in this blue house. You look like vagina.
I have no helmet. I repeat, I have no helmet.
This door.
Yeah, like, you know, crying about it, nigga. People coming our way. Southeast. Shit, there's shit on niggas coming, bro.
Yep. There's a dude right in this house right here in front of us. On me.
Kills you. I'm just getting the fool, like, stay alive, nigga. Where's he at? Is he right by you? Where's he at, you big chonch?
Don't worry, nigga. I'm good, fool. Don't worry, nigga. Don't worry about
He's
that,
running.
nigga. You're just watching him run, huh? You're just fucking sitting there watching that nigga, fool. Douche, fool. You're a
Fuck my
douche.
kid, by the way. You're welcome.
Douche. Yeah, you killed nobody, so yeah, thanks.
I couldn't. You just didn't stance. Do this.
Look, oh damn, fool, I'm shooting. You're welcome, fool. I killed a
Hold
potential
on, watch,
killer,
watch,
fool.
watch. There's a guy in there. There's a guy in there on fire in the greenhouse, second floor. Go in there.
Nah, I'm good.
Go in there, bro.
I'm good, nigga.
Oh, there's a guy right here with me.
That's cool, fool.
Come on,
Cool,
Dick.
nigga. That's cool, nigga.
Oh, now that he's dead, you want to come in here, huh, bitch?
It was just
Okay.
one guy, fool. You act like it was like a
There's
lot,
another one
nigga.
outside.
You're lying, fool.
I hate when you get like this, fool. Like, it was only lunch, nigga. Like, me and A don't kick it like that, fool.
What the fuck?
Nah, just like, nigga.
You're like, oh shit, you didn't know?
If you didn't know, I'm playing. If you did know, I'm sorry.
It was just lunch, bro.
Like, we talked about a tape, nigga, but like, it was just talk, nigga. You know, boys, bro, right here in front of us.
I'm not mad, nigga. I'm not mad, nigga.
Southeast.
Like, we're all boys, right?
Southeast, like the Wizard of Oz.
Where? Yeah, thanks for showing me somebody you already killed, bro. It's awesome.
You want to see a dead body?
That's true, bro.
This house right here. Someone was already shooting at me.
You don't fucking want it, bitch. You don't want it, bro. Sit down. It's your fucking Spetsnaz, nigga. You dead. That's why you dead, nigga. What's that Spetsnaz do for you now? We got people west. We got people west.
I got someone in west by the house. A 2-story. I'm shooting at it already, but oh, he made it inside. What house I'm talking about?
Yeah, fool.
The one your mom was raised in?
Yeah, fool. I got eyes, nigga.
You're like, haha, yeah, cool, my mom's a bitch, yeah, whatever.
I get it, boy. It's nice, nigga. That was a clever
It's
one.
tight.
Haha.
You're like, you wrote that joke, nigga? I hope you didn't get paid for that shit, nigga. That's just trash, nigga.
Be alright, fool.
Oh, we got, east. Either east or northwest. Oh, right there. Shit, southwest. Oh, he's right in front of you, nigga. What are you doing?
Oh, nigga, I'm over here.
Southwest.
I got him. Full fuck. There's another one running for him. Woo!
There's a grenade. Oh, god damn it. He got me. Way to go. Go get him, Dick! Fuck him up!
The fuck down, fool. Oh, where you at? You up?
Right here in the back of you. No, don't come up. You're good. I got you. Like, you got 27 seconds for us all good. I'm patting it, bro. Don't fuck it. South, 165.
Are they coming?
Yes. No, he's not coming yet, but that's where he's at. 165. He's coming southeast. That's where he's gonna be. That's what the fuck I mean.
He's right there.
Nah, but he's gonna be. Shot real quick. Straight.
And there's literally one dude left, yo.
Yep. Oh, right here, 210. Crawling on the ground.
That was a box.
Right there in front of that push, right there.
Oh.
There you go.
Nice.
Fuck that bitch.
Alright, see? This one right here? Send it to me right now.
Alright, yeah, well, that's pretty much it. That's a 7-minute clip right there, nigga.
We got 4 or 5.